So question number 8 is asking about this figure here, and specifically the green and cyan curves compared to the purple curve. It says, consider the following curves. Are compounds A and B activators or inhibitors? All right, so anytime you're given a kinetic graph like this, it's very, very important that you first look at what are we plotting. So we're plotting here reaction rate versus substrate concentration. So for a normal enzyme reaction, we're going to get a hyperbolic curve like we see here in purple. All right, so in order for our enzyme performance to increase, we either want our enzyme to end up giving us a higher rate, higher Vmax of the reaction. I know in this chapter we haven't talked about Vmax yet, but we are now talking about that in class. All right, so it can improve the overall rate of the reaction, or alternatively, we could improve the Km of the reaction. So, at this substrate concentration right here, or let's say, in order to get this rate, all right, with this red curve I drew versus the purple curve that's already here, I would have to add less substrate in the red curve case. All right, so in these two red curves I drew here, these would both be examples of activators. All right, now conversely, I pretty much told you the answer now. Compounds A and B are both going to be inhibitors. All right, the way we know that, well, in this case here with compound B, the maximal velocity or the maximal rate of the reaction that we observe is just lower than we observe in the absence of compound B. So that one's pretty obvious. All right, compound A is maybe a little less obvious. So in compound A, all right, we again want to ask the question at this particular rate here, whatever rate we want, we could choose up here if we wanted to. Let's go up here. All right. Well, in order to get that rate with the green or with the purple compound, we need this much substrate. In the presence of compound A, we need more substrate to get the same rate. Therefore, compound A is acting as an inhibitor as well.